And Derek with Eliminex. We're in Manalapan, New Jersey. We're doing us raccoon trapping, and this creature, whoa, he like bent the door. He doesn't look injured. He look okay. He look like he bent this door up, trying to get out. Good thing it didn't destroy the. Where's the handle? You're a big one. Hopefully the door is closed. Gonna put them over here. Got landscapers here today. Whoa. Oh, he's coming for me. Hey, how you doing? Got a big one. There you go. Let's see if there's any friends over. Yeah, a lot of raccoons. See if we have any other additional ones. So that was good news. In 24 hours, we caught like a big one. Let's see if we got any more. Well, that was really an unpredictable spot. I swear we're going to catch them over here. This is where their activity is really strong. But that was a big one. Just that one alone can do quite amount of damage. See all the pop-outs from walking around. I mean, it really is making a number on this attic. I'm not recalling if that was open or not, but we're gonna have to keep this one. I'm gonna have to keep this one until we find out if there's any cubs, because that could be a mama, and there might be other cubs with it. So hopefully we'll catch more. I might have to keep a hold of this one overnight. It's a shame. I hate to leave it in the cage, but I'd like to reunite them in case there's other pups or other family members. So at least it's good news. The homeowner is going to be really pleased to see that we captured one. It's a big one. It's not like a baby. It's disappointing when I catch the small ones first, and then. What I usually do, I'll use the small ones to I'll put them in a cage to lure the big one out. But this is the first time I've seen a raccoon bend the door. I mean, I could have easily pushed out. I guess he's pushing out over here on the top, so there wasn't much leverage versus pushing on the bottom. But this one was really fighting to get out. Yeah. You have any friends? You have any friends or family up in the attic with you? Or are you the only one? I know. He's really patient. He's not scared. Alright. You're not scared. I know, right? You're not looking happy. Well, we have a nice place for you to go, but we're gonna wait. We're gonna wait till tomorrow and see if you have any cubs out and about that we need to rescue so we can release you guys together. That would be a really good idea. But there's no activities, other 4 traps. What I like about putting 5 traps or so is when you catch 1 or 2, you still got 3 traps. You could you know, put them out where you need to. And I'm going to try to find the handle that goes to this trap. Where's the handle at? Where's the handle to the trap? Are you sitting on it? Oh, there it is. It's on the bottom. I know. I see you. You see me. I know, right? You look happy. You look healthy. I probably just caught you this morning. All right, Derek with Eliminex for here in Manalapan. Thank you. Have a good day.